that one small change could rock the wellness world forever. But it did. And this is how it happened. It was the early 90s. The cell phones were giant. The windbreakers were on point. The internet wasn't a thing yet, and neither were essential oils. At least, not in the US. But that was all about to change.
This world was designed for progress.
Enter Gary Young, a holistic wellness advocate who'd been searching diligently for natural alternatives to complement Western medicine.
I said to him, you must get tired of all these researchers coming to study these plants. He says, you're the first.
And after studying essential oil distillation in France, he knew he'd found what he was looking for. And he wanted to share it with the world. Behold, the plant that started it all.
1, 2, 3.
We got crop to harvest. We're ready to rock and roll.
You want to look up and wave?
Look up and wave. I'm busy.
Gary, Mary, and their small but mighty team went to work,
Smile. Somebody has to do this.
putting every last penny into his dream of finding a better way to wellness.
No matter what I do it with passion, I do it with intensity, because I love every part of it.
And from the day Young Living opened its doors, Gary's commitment to quality was clear. He wanted to oversee every aspect of every phase in the production of his essential oils.
By next year, we will be the first company in the world to actually grow, actually distill, actually formulate, and market their product from the seed up.
Some called it overkill. He called it
Seed to seal.
Seed to seal.
Seed to seal.
a new, groundbreaking set of standards that really wasn't new at all. His idea was simple: work with nature, a novel concept that industry standards had abandoned long ago in exchange for quick wins using dangerous toxins and harsh chemicals.
Maybe we need to go back in time to really find out how we want to heal.
Gary looked to the past to achieve the most innovative practices of all, those created by nature, and he wanted to protect the planet in the process, using regenerative agriculture to mimic natural systems and keep the soil and the product natural and pure. No synthetics, no toxins, no shortcuts. It was a lofty goal that proved expensive and time-consuming, but unlike his competitors that followed after him, he didn't care. Quality was king.
We can recover more of the molecules and higher percentage of the molecules, which gives our oils the highest quality and the highest standard in the world today.
And his seed to seal standards surpassed any the industry had seen before, and guaranteed the final product was pure, potent, unadulterated, and safe for use. Why? Because he could.
Young Living is the only company in the world that does this.
And he forever raised the bar as a result. Many have claimed to replicate what we started, but they can't, and they won't. In a world of copycats, it feels good to be the original.
And every time I turn around, I see people trying to follow me, but I don't see anybody in front of me.
More than 3 decades later, Gary's dream lives on. And so do his seed to seal standards, implemented by his trusted teams just as he taught them, which start in our nurseries and fields, continue with our innovative patented distillation methods, and the most thorough testing processes in the industry, then implemented in our bottling facilities, where they are tested again and again and again. And, well, you get the point. And finally enjoyed in your home, where the power of plants works to safely clean, uplift, purify, and provide meaningful wellness and peace of mind you can't find anywhere else. Knowing that our clean way of doing things improves and protects the planet, which comes full circle to protect your home, your family, and the ones you love. All of this from a single drop of oil. Proving that sometimes the biggest shifts start small.